From the browser, type AWS and click on the first link. Here, choose the option Create a free account. It will redirect you to the sign up page. So here first enter the root user email address. I will use my techworldwithpreet@gmail.com and you can give any name. And click on the verify email address. Once you do the verify email address, and verification code will be sent to your Gmail. So from here copy this verification code and verify. And then provide the password. Try to use all this combination of uppercase, lowercase, number and non-alphanumeric character. Once you have provided the password, it's your wish. If you want, you can save it so it will not ask you again and again. And then next one is the contact information. So provide this one as your personal usage if you want to use it for personal thing, and then you can add the correct details. Once it is done, choose this option, select and click on continue. Then next one is the billing information. Provide this billing information. As you can see this message, we are not charging any usage. It is only $1 and that will hold for 3 to 5 days and then it can be reverted back. Next one is confirm your identity. So choose your country. The next screen is confirm your identity and verify the code which is sent in your mobile. Click on continue and then choose the basic support plan, the first one, and click on complete sign up. And you can see the message, congratulations. Thank you for signing up with AWS. You can click on this AWS Management Console. Provide your root user detail and click on next one. And again it is asking you to provide the characters. So please do that. So this is the home page for AWS. Here you can click on the services and you can see all the services which are available.